Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can unblock phone number on Android phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Android phone, and first of all we have to open the phone application, and here we can go to the setting. We can click on these three dots, then open the settings. Okay, and here we can select the block numbers to see the list of the phone numbers we have blocked on our Android phone. And this is the phone number I have blocked, and I'm going to remove it from the blocked numbers list. We just need to click on this icon to remove it or to unblock this phone number. Okay, and now the phone number has been unblocked, and that's how we can unblock phone number on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.